Recording. So got here. So Remy, Carter, Ayan, everyone in Miss Genius and Miss Word class. Don't believe me? This is all the evidence y'all need. This is what y'all need. Hey, this what y'all want to see?
Yeah, but what?
This what y'all want to see, chat? Remy, we want to see this shit. Charging up.
My turn.
Don't y'all want to see, huh?
Here.
Y'all want to see, huh? Don't y'all want it, huh? Believe me now, huh? Come on, let's go.
I got the brake.
It's just charging up, you know that, right? Oh shit.
See the burnouts?
Yeah, come on, burn that time,
Wait, you have to pick it up now.
What?
Pick it up.
Hey, yo, give me a second.
Pick it up. Wait, I got. Back it up.
How am I gonna record this too?
Just.
Stop it. Oh shit. Oh. No.
We just did a burnout, Chad.
Come on now, record me now. Come on, record me now. My burnout.
Let's see his. Oh, flip. Wait, let me do one real quick.
There, y'all see that? Y'all see that, chat?
Yeah.
Y'all see that, huh? This is what y'all want to see, huh? What y'all want to see, huh?
Alright, let me do mine there.
Why is yours so heavy? Why is yours so heavy?
Lift it. Wait, I do recording too.
ciao to see chat. Believe me now, huh? Bye. See y'all today.